here we are, lucky enough to see some duckies. They're not Muscovies. Now these look like the... Oh, where are they? Come on, zoom in. I really unzoomed, didn't I? Anyway, these look like native New Zealand duck. They look very similar to mallards, but they're cute. They're all coming this way. Oh, one's got a sore foot. Oh, baby. Oh, poor baby. Hello, sweethearts. Oh, darlings. Hello. Hello, sweethearts. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hello, darlings. Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hello, little duckies. Hello. Hey, come here. Oh, come here. Come on. Yay. I'm so used to having duckies eat my fingers. Oh, aren't they beautiful?
Hello.
Hello. Oh, these are too cute. Oh, little hoppies over there. Hey, Hoppy. What you doing? Oh, poor thing. Wish I had my first aid kit here. I mean, I'll fix up his leg. Hello, beautifuls. Oh, aren't they lovely? Aww. Oh, beautiful. Boop boop. Boop boop. Hello, darlings. Hi. You're so tiny compared to Muscovies. Aren't ya? Hey. No, darlings. Come here. Come on. Boop boop. Boop boop. Oh, honeys. Oh, hey, sweetheart. Oh, poor little leg. Come here. Are you fighting? Are you fighting? Oh. Hey, hello. Come on, you can eat my fingers. Come on, eat my fingers. No? Off you go. Hey, sweeties. I think the eel's a bit too small to eat the duck.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Wow. Woohoo! Duckies! Beep beep!
Don't fish them out.
Beep beep! And under they go.
Beautiful eel. Oh, that scared the eel away.
Oh,
Duck just walked over my leg.
oh.
Oh.
It's so tiny.
Fingers again. Oh.
What's it coming close for?
Well, they're just being friendly.
Yeah, I just want
I
to say
think
hello.
they're probably used to some people feeding them. So I think.
Oh, I hope not.
Nope.
Because
We're
it's
not feeding you?
no, because it's not very. People tend to feed them bread, which is not very healthy for them.
But they eat it.
Yeah, they'll eat it. It's just
Yeah.
like eating junk food. Yes,
Duck junk food.
it is duck junk food. Whee! It can make them sick.
We were reading that by one of the lakes the other day.
Mm.
What
So,
pumpkin seeds? They say pumpkin seeds are okay.
Pumpkin seeds are, if they have a intestinal worm problem,
that's good for.
it's good for them. But there's like different seeds like oats and sorghum and millet, which can be those are often quite good seeds for them.
And also just a packet of frozen peas.
Oh
It's
yeah.
really good for them.
Huh.
Thank you.
It's actually full of protein and niacin and all sorts which they need.
Quack, quack. Quack. What's the
Oh.
What's the duck doing?
He's playing.
Yeah, just like you like to play.
Yeah.
Well, you don't exactly play like what they do, but I'm sure you like running about.
They swing about.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, just cute.
That's just on the ground. Yeah.
That's true.
I think it's trying to get away. I think it's trying to get away from the eel.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, our duckies do this.
Yes.
Yeah.
The eel got chased away by that duck that went there. The eel was like, nope, I'm scared of this duck. Swim away.
Oh.
Well, they can turn the whole hair around.
Mm.
Ow!
Yeah. Well, that's so that they can spread the oil through their feathers to keep them waterproof. Whee! It's just too funny.
And now,
What are the others doing? Oh, yeah, under the bridge. Woo!
that's like our pretty fast.
It's too funny.
Really fast, isn't it?
Mm.
Goodbye, little eel.
But not faster than fast. You wouldn't even see them come by.
No, not faster than that.
Mm. Hey, duckies! Oh, we still got a ducky. Oh, that's the one with the sore foot. Oh, poor wee thing.
Just waiting.
Yeah, he's got a sore foot.
It's still there.